Welcome. In front of me is an OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down and swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles and locate settings option right here. That's the quickest way. Anyway, from here we're gonna scroll down to storage. There we go, right over here. And then tap on the drop down right over here and select, in my case it's called Android, but that is my SD card, which you can see it has 64 gigabytes. And just to kind of prove this, I am gonna pop it out just so you can see that this option will disappear. So you can see it's still here. Pop, and it's gone. Let's give it a second. Okay. Now this is a Samsung SD card, though it's labeled as Android for some reason, but just pointing that out because it doesn't really make much of a difference. But in your case it just might be labeled something completely different. In any case, I can click right here on these three dots and select format, and then select format SD card. Now chances are you might need to press on that button once again, or something that affirms the format once more. To begin this, I'm not gonna go through the formatting of that card myself, just because I do have 59 gigabytes of data that I'm not sure I have backed up yet, so don't want to, risk it. But once you select that button, it formats the card, which is fully automatic. There is no need to do anything extra. Once the process is finished, the card will be immediately ready to be used once more with no additional steps required. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.